Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to unbox 3 diamond painting kits from Russian brand MOSFA. 2 of them are mounted to the wood, or better say on the wood, 30 by 40 centimeters. And one more kit is just a regular canvas, not attached to the wood. So if you want to see the unboxing of 3 of them, stay with me. Okay guys, I relocated and I would like to start with unboxing this very kit. The name can be translated as Harbinger of Winter. This is the preview picture. I really love it, you know, everything that I love. Winter, little house, landscape, the lights inside the house, plenty of room for customization. This is a 40 by 40 kit. Full pacing area, and here the stars, this is the level of difficulty, 3 stars out of 5, so it's like medium difficulty level. As always, let's start with the canvas. I love MOSFA canvases, they're really very unique. I don't think any other brand comes out with such a rendering where you cannot see anything at all, but this is their special feature. They want their canvas to bring mystery or some kind element of surprise, kind of like diamond painting from scratch. When you start diamond painting, only once you place the drills on the canvas, a design is coming out to life. Other than that, the rendering is not color related at all. As to the canvas material, it is pretty standard vinyl, like in any AliExpress store. The adhesive is pretty strong. It is, oh my god, I poured glue. Yeah, it is pretty strong. The symbols are printed pretty well. This very canvas contains a lot of confetti, but at the same time color blocking as well. And it comes with 28 colors. So this is a full square drill diamond painting kit. Apparently this brand MOSFA, which is considered to be the best one in Russia, and I also like it very much because I know that this company cares a lot about detalization, and all their kits turn out to be gorgeous. And if you follow my channel, you already saw like 5 or 6 kits that I diamond painted from this company, and the sizes are pretty small, 30 by 40 centimeters, like this owl, for example. But look at the detalization, it's just amazing. The resolution is super high. And by the way, I found out that apparently they have their own designers and artists. That is why there is no need to license the artists, because they have their own. They like come out with their designs themselves. They do not take it from outside. And this company doesn't manufacture round drill diamond painting kits, only square ones. So as to the symbol printing, it is pretty clear, as you can see. The symbols themselves are also very recognizable, although I would prefer them to have, you know, maybe alphabetic and numeric symbols instead of the, I don't know, deer and cat and smiley face. But they're also fine. Okay, so this is the canvas. Now, to tell you the truth, I am a little bit disappointed with their drills packaging. Although it doesn't contain a lot of colors, only 28, I am not in the rapture of how they packaged the drills. They are not attached to each other, and unfortunately I will spend at least an hour, or if not more, of my evening kitting up for this kit, and I hate kitting up. Okay, so for example, how hard was it to attach the same color drills, right? This way it would be much easier to organize them, but well, we have what we have. Unfortunately, this is the only disadvantage that this company has, at least it used to have, because I think this is an older kit, and back then they didn't really care much about packaging the drills. But yeah, so this is a little bit disappointing, but other than that, these other drills, I'm not gonna show you all of them. They are all either resin or acrylic. I don't know, guys. I know that this company started with resin drills. Now I hear rumors that the drills are replaced with acrylic. I personally do not differentiate between them, because if you give me high quality acrylic and high quality resin drills, I just won't differentiate between them. For me, they look the same, okay? And their drills, I don't care what material they use, acrylic or resin, because they are of a magnificent quality. I always thought that, for example, this diamond painting was diamond painted, I'm sorry for repeating the words, with the resin drills, but apparently when I read the description on the website where I bought it from, it said that the drills are acrylic. So I do not know what they are, but look at the sparkle. Look, I don't care if it is resin or acrylic, the sparkle is amazing. So I love working with their drills. And as to the tools, it is pretty standard, as you can see, a tray, a wax, and a stylus with 4 multiplacer, and it does not even have the Ziploc bags, which is insane. So now let's move on to their next mounted on the wood kit that is called A Morning in the Countryside. This one is a little bit, it has a higher level of difficulty, 4 stars out of 5. The size is 30 by 40. It is a little bit smaller than the previous one, and the quantity of colors are, or the quantity of drills are 36 colors of drills. Okay, this is the preview of the design that is in this kit. It is pretty small, but detalization is magnificent, right, for such a small kit. And one of the reasons why I purchased it, because it reminded me of my childhood that I spent in the countryside at my grandma's house, and it looked kind of like this. So again, as to the the canvas, nothing really that you can see, not color related whatsoever. And as you can see, it is already mounted on the wood. As these are the newer kits already, and as you can see, the drills are organized well better. Unfortunately, they're not in Ziploc bags, but at least they are attached to each other. More than that, the bags are in numeric order, which is wonderful. And I'm not going to open this very kit to show you the drills, because I already opened this one. So this is also a full square drill diamond painting kit in the size of 30 by 40 centimeters. The colors, there were 29 colors of drills, and the name of this kit is Furry Mischief Maker. The level of difficulty is 3 out of 5 and 29 colors, as already mentioned. This is the canvas. Again, you can hardly see anything. I already tried the adhesive. It is pretty strong. It is a poured glue. And over here, I can see, first of all, the design itself, how it's coming out, the drills, the numeric order of the symbols, how the symbol look, the DMC code of each symbol, the drills here. I'm not taking them out. Unfortunately, there are no ABs, there are no crystals. I wish this brand added ABs and crystals to their kits, but most likely I will customize it. And it also has these attachments to hang the completed design on the wall. On the one hand, I'm really very happy that it comes on mounted on the wood, because this way I do not really have to worry about purchasing a frame, like for example with this one. But on the other hand, it would still accumulate dust, and I would have to, dust it pretty often, although most likely I will just give it away as a gift. Is like when we are thinking about gift-wise, right, it is very convenient. I would finish it and it is already ready to give it away as a gift. I don't have to worry about buying frame, I don't have to worry about spending money on it. But I still prefer glass, because again it protects against the dust and falling out drills. On the other hand, I've been having this very diamond painting for, I don't even know, for it's been hanging here since 2018 and not a single drill fell out. I did not seal this diamond painting. I'm completely against sealing the diamond paintings, and it still looks gorgeous, right? So this brand also has very high quality adhesive poured glue, so I'm pretty sure that the drills will not fall out. On the other hand, these are square drills, so square drills behave a little bit differently than the round ones, but I hope everything will be fine. Now, as soon as I am done with this diamond painting from Make Market, 3 ghosts, they look so hilarious, they're not even looking that scary. I was actually planning to start diamond painting Vanity Owl from Diamond Art Club, but to tell you the truth, I'm not even sure if I should. Maybe I should work on this very kit more in the countryside, because, you know, it reminds me of summer, and summer is almost gone. So maybe it will be the last picture of the summer to remind me of the summer. I'm not sure, and I can also give it away as a gift. Just please let me know in the comments what would you like to see me diamond painting after the 3 ghosts, one of the MOSFA's diamond painting or the Vanity Owl. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for staying with me. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you soon.